Happy Friday, Los Al USD. I'm Nicole Pichardo, and this is your wrap-up for Friday, March 29th, 2024.
This week, students and staff at Hopkinson Elementary came together to celebrate Come Walk in My Shoes Week, a school-wide initiative that challenges stereotypes and misconceptions about neurological differences. The entire school took part in activities ranging from adaptive mobility and communication technologies, a sensory center, dyslexia experience, and time seeing the world through another's eyes. It has truly been an amazing opportunity for all Huskies. On Tuesday evening, our Los Alamitos Elementary community gathered to support the Tigers as they delivered their annual board report. The board workshop opened with the LAE Choir, who delivered a beautiful patriotic performance of America the Beautiful. LAE 5th grade student representatives, along with Principal Jenny Padilla, highlighted what makes LAE the place to be. Their presentation concluded by honoring their LAE Hero of the Heart, parent and volunteer extraordinaire, Mrs. Jessica Bystrom. This week, board and executive cabinet members made a special stop to Lee Elementary to recognize and celebrate the longevity, loyalty, and dedication of our staff. We were thrilled to recognize 9 staff members who have served the district for 5, 10, 15, and even 30 years. We could not be more thankful to our dedicated staff for continuing to make Los Al USD their home. In middle school news, we were thrilled to gather this week on Tuesday and Thursday to celebrate Oak and McAuliffe for their California Distinguished School honor. Staff gathered for lunch and were gifted a commemorative pen. In high school news, our Golden Griffins Robotics team is geared up to go for this weekend's first Robotics Orange County Regional. They'll be going head-to-head with about 40 other teams from all over the county at the OC Fairgrounds for their competition on Friday and Saturday. And you better believe their robot George is all set to rock the competition. In other high school news this week, LAHS Chamber Orchestra had the pleasure of performing at the Philharmonic Society Orange County High School Orchestra Festival at the Segerstrom Concert Hall. It was an incredible opportunity for our high school musicians to experience performing in a new and exciting environment. And last but certainly not least, LAHS officially launched into spring this week with their annual Griffin Games. For those unfamiliar with this event, Griffin Games is a fun way for Los Alamitos High School students and staff to bond through fun activities and friendly competitions. The red team is made up of freshmen and seniors, while the blue team has sophomores and juniors. Activities included dodgeball, a cannonball and diving contest, a staff pie eating contest, and fun field games. Additionally, on Thursday, to celebrate and officially bring in spring, LAHS students were provided with popsicles at lunchtime, and staff were treated to lunch from our awesome partners at Subway. What a great way to officially kick off spring break. And that's the wrap up for this week. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful spring break.
And that's the wrap up!